Another tool that you can use is the regression line. This one's not as common, but what it does is it allows you to take a block of data, run a calculation on it through the regression line tool, and it gives you an extreme upper and lower range that should contain the vast majority of your price action. If you get a nice channel like this and the line of best fit takes all of your data and fits it nicely into this envelope, it really indicates that you are indeed in a trend, and it gives you a couple of limitations, both upper and lower, that you can use to try to determine when you're going to have a trend change. So the majority of the price action is going to be inside this envelope, and when you move beyond it, it often indicates you're going to be facing breakout or breakdown conditions. In this example, we can see almost all of our trading actions inside this nice sideways channel represented by our regression line, but when we break that support, the price simply collapses. So regression lines, not as common as our moving average indicators or our trend lines that we're going to discuss next, but it can be a useful tool for easily visualizing when you're in trend conditions.